Hello friends, I welcome you to another episode of Ask Me Anything. Today I am going to talk on one of the important part, that is why the patient of COVID-19 are increasing day by day. The major reason is asymptomatic patient coming in contact with the normal human beings or individuals. Now what does it mean? So first we'll understand the concept of asymptomatic patient. What do you mean by asymptomatic patient? So let us understand with a simple example. Let us consider this ring as a COVID patient. When this COVID patient comes in contact with any individual, so what will happen? The virus will enter into the normal individual. Now for instance, suppose if the immune system of this person, that is person A, who is coming in contact with the COVID patient, suppose if his immunity is strong enough, then this person will not suffer from the disease, but rather what will happen, he will carry the virus. Due to the strong immunity, the person will not show any kind of symptoms, but he will for the time being act as a carrier. And when this person, when he comes in contact with any of the normal individual whose immune system is weak, then what is going to happen? The virus will interact with this person. What exactly it means? It means the virus will enter into this person. Due to the low immunity, this person will be susceptible to the infection and he will show the symptoms. There is a chances that the person A, to whom we are calling as an asymptomatic, he may not show the symptoms, or rather he will not suffer from the disease due to the good immunity, but this person will act as a ticking bomb. So many of the people who are coming in contact with this asymptomatic person, so because of that the disease is spreading. Now what is the conclusion? The conclusion is that whenever you come across with any of the people, and suppose if you are feeling that person is normal, is not showing any kind of symptoms, then the probability index is that you are wrong. Why? That person may be having strong immunity, but he may be carrying the virus because he is called as an asymptomatic. And this condition, what will happen, if you are coming in contact with such person and if your immunity is low, then the probability index is high that you may suffer from the COVID-19. So whenever you come in contact with any of the person who is not wearing the mask, then be alert. The chances are there that they may spread the disease to you. Whatever the person, whoever be the person, he or she, but the index, that means we call it as a probability index, is higher that you may get infected. So from henceforth, whenever you go anywhere, so don't look physically that person is strong enough. Don't judge whether he is positive or negative. Don't take any risk. Only do one thing, that is just wear the mask, follow the rules of sanitization and be safe. So this is the major reason why the COVID-19 patient cases are increasing day by day. Now the second important part is that who are the immunity low person, that means the person with lower immunity. First of all, the person who is undergoing the treatment for the cancer. Second, who are undergoing the treatment and taking the steroids. Third, HIV patients. Fourth, who are organs are being transplanted. So these are immunocompromised patients. So these persons are at high risk. So I request you that if you are having any of this problem, then don't come in contact with any of the person without the mask. So this is the one of the important message I just wanted to convey you, that is related to the concept we called as an asymptomatic patients or asymptomatic person. I will not call it as an asymptomatic patient, but I will call them as an asymptomatic person who are spreading the disease.